next question again we want to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. Now here left hand side is 1 plus cot A plus tangent A multiplied by sin A minus cos A and divisible by secant cube A minus cosecant cube A. First convert cot and tangent in terms of sin and cos. So cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A plus, and tangent A is sin A divided by cos A, and this term is sin A minus cos A, and this here in this term A cube minus B cube, we can apply this identity. And now what is the identity? A cube minus B cube. Identity is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So we can apply this identity here in denominator. Now secant cube A minus cosecant cube A. So this term can be written as secant A minus cosecant A minus B into A square plus AB and plus B square. So this is the denominator. Now when we take LCM here, sin A into cos A is LCM, sin A into cos A, and 1 into this term is, so sin A into cos A plus sin is present, cos is left, cos into cos is cos square A plus sin into sin is sin square A and multiplied by sin A minus cos A. In denominator again, this is secant A minus cosecant A. Convert secant and cosecant in terms of sin and cos. So secant can be written as 1 upon cos A minus 1 upon sin A. And next term is secant square A can be written as 1 upon cos square A plus 1 upon sin A into cos A and plus cosecant square A can be written as 1 upon sin square A. Now here sin into cos A is LCM. Now cos square A plus sin square A, from the first identity we can say that this value is equal to 1. So 1 plus sin A into cos A and multiplied by sin A minus cos A and divided by sin A into cos A. Now in denominator, LCM is sin A into cos A, and this term is sin A minus cos A, and second factor is here what will be the LCM? Sin square A into cos square A. So sin square A into cos square A, and this term is sin square A plus sin A into cos A and plus cos square A. Now again sin square A plus cos square value is equal to 1. So we can write down this term as 1 plus sin A into cos A into sin A minus cos A and divided by sin A into cos A, and again whole divisible by sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A divided by sin A into cos A, and again second factor is sin square A plus cos square A value is 1. 1 plus sin A into cos A and divided by sin square A into cos square A. So how we can write down here in denominator sin A into cos A, sin A into cos A. So these two terms cancelled out and only this term is left. 1 plus sin A into cos A multiplied by sin A minus cos A into, and this term get reversed, so this term will be equal to sin square A cos square A divided by sin A minus cos A and 1 plus sin A into cos A. In denominator sin A minus cos A and numerator is sin A minus cos A cancelled out. 1 plus sin A cos A and 1 plus sin A cos A. Again this term cancelled out. So we obtain which term? Only sin square A into cos square A. And what is our right hand side? Right hand side is the same value. So this is equal to right hand side. So we can say that this left hand side equal to right hand side.